some point, surviving every obstacle stops feeling like strength and starts feeling like insanity. 17th of February, Company A business Jim had helped build from $0 to $5 million in just 12 months, which was headed toward $50 million. That day, the management team met to address yet another operating cash crisis. Tension was in the room.
You all know we are running low on cash. Since none of you can contribute any more funds, the responsibility falls on me. We could try to collect receivables early. Our customers, they trust us. They'll work with us. I haven't slept a full night in 2 weeks. Truthfully, I feel trapped, and there is no way out.
In an instant, Jim found himself on the outside of something he had helped build from nothing. There was no thank you for the years of sacrifice. There was only the cold, quiet truth. The business he had poured himself into no longer had room for him. Deep down, Jim already knew. He had been neglecting his faith for a long time. His family had been stretched thin by his absence, holding together without him while he chased the next breakthrough. His health had slowly been sacrificed on the altar of the grind, and his finances, despite everything he had poured into the dream, had been gutted along the way. Every sign had been there, placed right in front of him along the road. He just hadn't been willing to see them. That meeting wasn't the end of the dream. It was something else entirely. It was the moment Jim finally recognized it was time to shift gears in the Crossroads. And so he did. He stepped away from everything that was ironed, familiar, everything that had defined him for 14 years. And he chose a different road, not because it was easy, because for the first time in a long time, he could see clearly. Failure doesn't have to be a setback when you are willing to see it clearly. It can be a setup for success. There is always another path to the same dream. 4 phases, 1 dream. Your story isn't over. It may just be the beginning. He took the first step, and then another, each one moving him further from where he had been, and closer to where he was always meant to arrive.